Have you heard the saying that many streams make a river? Hi, I'm Karen Dice, founder of Loan Officer Training, and when I was in the mortgage business, I had 10 to 12 real estate agents that constantly gave me business. I got referrals from several builders and real estate attorneys. But then this started to happen. In 1 year, 2 real estate agents retired, one moved, and the other one died. Then one of the builders went bankrupt, and I was still getting referrals from real estate attorneys, but not as many as I had been. That's when I realized that had all of my marketing efforts into one basket. Now, there's nothing wrong with marketing to real estate agents and builders, but in order to expand my business, I either had to continue doing that and hoping that they would give me deals, or find other referral sources so that if one or two of them dried up, went away, then I would still get referrals from the other sources. But here's the problem that most loan originators have. They're busy originating loans, closing loans, and it's very difficult to find time to create pillars of marketing systems. Well, that's what the Loan Officer Training website is all about. But wait, let me finish with the rest of my story. So, after I was through feeling sorry for myself, a light bulb went off in my head, and I decided to expand this pillar of business. Remember the many streams make a river theory, to at least 5 different pillars of business. So, some of the ways I expanded my business was marketing to corporate accounts where the employers endorsed me as their mortgage lender of choice. I marketed to apartment complexes, and also marketed home buying seminars. I can tell you that I got a ton of leads by marketing home buying seminars to apartment complexes. And then I also marketed to for sale by owner sellers with the strategy that they should be pre-approved for their home ahead of time before they do sell their current home. Basically, these were consumer direct marketing tactics, and I started to get 4 or 5 leads a month, closing 2 or 3 of those loans directly from consumers, with the added bonus of being able to refer these people to my real estate agents. Next, I worked on making sure that I had everybody in my database, pulled my files, put my closed loans in my database, but then I also decided that it was strategic that I add at least 10 real estate agents to my database on a monthly basis and at least 10 new consumers, leads, family and friends, maybe people that I met at networking events, because I had an ulterior motive. I was going to market to them on a regular basis. So 1 week I would email real estate agents with a mortgage rule and regulation update based on and interpreting it the way that they do business. The next week I would email a marketing tip. And then once a month, I either emailed or snail mailed the consumers in my database. But I added my family and friends, everybody that I knew to my database, because hey, you don't know where you're going to get your referrals from. So I started getting referrals from these people too and closed at least 2 to 3 loans a month just by emailing and keeping my database up to date. Then I expanded my builder leads because I decided to join the Home Builders Association, became part of the board of directors, and landed one builder who was giving me 10 to 12 deals a month. But I have to warn you, it did not happen overnight. It took time to develop, to test, and systemize each one of these pillars of business. But when I retired from the mortgage business, I began sharing them with other loan originators who also found success in generating leads this way. So please check out the website below. You'll find classes, ebooks, done for you marketing content, marketing systems, rule and regulation articles to keep your real estate agents updated on the rules and regulations, and a special membership site for women in the mortgage industry. So, my whole point of sharing this with you is that there are many, many different ways to get business in the mortgage industry. that you decide which ones are most interesting and which ones that you can accomplish. So just to recap my video, many streams make a river. And I hope that your river will flow with tons of money. But before you do anything, please call me, email me so we can discuss which ones are right for you based on the way you're doing business now. Thanks for viewing, and I hope you contact me to increase your business too.